How to fix screen flickering issues in Moto G Stylus. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn off adaptive brightness. Open setting, scroll down, click on display. Now here you will see adaptive brightness, and if you want to turn off adaptive brightness, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off adaptive brightness from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on system, click on reset options, and again click on reset device setting, and again click on reset device setting. All settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix screen flickering issues in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.